Since I have already told you that in our next part, that is today's part is part 2. In this part 2, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 rational numbers. And this class is meant for class 8 maths A's. So students, welcome back to my channel. I am Economatrix Dey and you are watching my YouTube channel Economatrix Dey. No drama, no confusion, but only education.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now, class 8 students, we are going to solve exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Represent the following rational numbers on a number line. Question number A, 3 by 4. So this is a rational number. This rational number, I have to draw it on a number line. So that is the reason, that is why I have drawn one number line with the help of a scale. You can also draw it and then put arrow marks. And these divisions I have taken equal divisions. Okay, you can also take the divisions like in your scale 1 centimeter is there. So 1 centimeter like this way you can take it. Okay, now you see nicely here 3 by 4. So it is positive 3 by 4. So positive means it will lie on the right hand side. So right hand side if it lies, so what we will do? We will write 0 little bit towards the left. Clear? Now downside it is 4. So how we will write? Here 0, then 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 and then write 1. Okay, again 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Again this side also 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 1. So like this way we have to plot it. Okay, now 3 out of 4. So 3 from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. We will put one arrow mark and write here 3 by 4. Clear? Question number 1A. Now question number 1B, 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 is also positive, plus 7 by 8. So it will lie on the right hand side. So 0 I will write here, little bit this side. But now in the denominator you can see it is written 8. If it is written 8, then 1 how we will write? After 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we will write 1. Clear? Understanding or no? Now 7 by 8 will be what? 7 boxes out of 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 boxes. So this one will be the point 7 by 8. I think you have understood. Question number 1C, minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, it is telling negative. So negative will be on the left hand side. Okay. So what we will do is to put 0. So that 0 now we will put it here. Okay. On this side. Clear? Now minus 3 by 2. Okay. So downside it is 2. Okay. Denominator. So this side after 2 boxes I will write 1. Clear? Again this side minus 1. Again after 2 boxes minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 like this way. Clear? Now minus 3 by 2. That means here upside in the numerator written 3 boxes. So we will count here 3 boxes from here, from 0, 1, 2, 3. So here comes. Clear? And we will make an arrow mark and what we will write here? Minus 3 by 2. Actually minus 3 by 2 is what? 1.5. You can see here 1 and this is 2. Minus 1, minus 2. So minus 1.5 will be here only. Clear or no? So we got minus 3 by 2. So this is the point. Clear? So you have to understand that 0 we will put where? Okay. If the diagram is on the left hand side, so let us put 0 on the right hand side. Okay. If the diagram is on the right hand side, let us put the 0 on the left hand side. Clear? Now question number 1D, 1 by 9. So it is positive. So the diagram will be on the right hand side. So if the diagram is on the right hand side, I told you 0 we will write on the left hand side. Okay, little bit left. Okay, so I can write here 0. Now 1 by 9, in the denominator there is 9. So 9 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you write 1. Clear? Got it? And then 1 by 9, 1 out of 9. So here comes 1 box. So this is the point. And you can give an arrow mark and write 1 by 9. Clear? So question number 1, A, B, C, D, all the sums I have solved, and it's time for you to practice. Okay? Now question number 2, find the two integers. You have to find out two integers between which the given rational numbers lie. So the rational number is here. This rational number is lying between which two integers? Okay, that only you have to find out. Okay, so if I want to do the answer, I can write 15 by 17 lies between. Now it is lying between which two rational numbers? So for that, what you can do, 15 you can divide it by 17. So will it go? No, it will not go. So we'll put a 0 and then point, because 15 is small. Okay. Now after that, we can put here 1 0. Now it is 150, it is going. So if you want to put, suppose 17 into 7. Okay. So 49, 4 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11, 119. And then if you go with 17 nines are, okay, if you go with 17 nines are, 9 sevens are 63, 6, 9 ones are 9 plus 6, 53. This is becoming big. So obviously it will go with 8, 8 sevens are 56, 5 carry, 8 ones are 8 plus 5, 13. So you are getting it clear now, with 8s are, okay. So 0.8. Now you imagine that 0.8 is lying between which one? Okay, 0.8. So 0.8 is less than 1 but more than 0. So what will write? 15 by 17 lies between 0 and 1. Clear? Now they are telling you plot this one on the number line. So how you will plot? The same way just now how I have taught you question number 1. So 15 by 17 will lie on this side. So 0 I can write it here. Now what to do? Now downside it is 17. So 17 boxes should be there. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if I take 1 centimeter, then 14 boxes are coming, but I need 17 boxes. Then what I will do? I will take half centimeter. Okay, like this way, half centimeter. Clear? I will take half. But this one I am doing without scale, but you please use the scale. Okay, if you use the scale, the diagram will be perfect. Understanding or not? Now I will count 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I will write here 1. Clear? Now it is telling what? 15 out of 17. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the point. I can give an arrow mark and write 15 by 17. So like this way you have to find out, also find their actual position. So their actual position, you got it, and you can see it is lying between 0 and 1. So I wrote this one 0 and 1. Clear? Now the next question, question number B, 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 lies between which two integers? So 12 by 5 I will divide. 12, 5, 5 to the 10. Okay, clear? Then 2 comes down, 0.0, 5 4s are 20. So it is 2.4. 2.4 means it is lying between which one? It is lying between 2 and 3 because 2.4 is more than 2 but less than 3. Now if we want to plot it, see it is positive, so the point will lie on this side, and downside you see 5, so 5 boxes. Okay, so let us do it here. So if I write here 0, then 1 will be where? After 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1, again 1 2 3 4 5, 2, again 1 2 3 4 5, 3, again 1 2 3 4 5, 4, like this way. And this side also you can write, you have space, 1 2 3 4 5, so minus 1. If you don't have space, no need of writing. Okay, now see 12 by 5, so 12, so here it is 5 10 11 12, so here it is, so the point will be 12 by 5 will be here. So you can see this 12 by 5 is lying between 2 and 3, the integers 2 and 3. Can you see? Okay. Now question number C, minus 34 by 16. So minus 34 by 16 lies between which one? We will divide. Okay. So 34 and 16, if I divide, 16 2s are 32, 2 remainder point 0, 16 1s are 16. So you can see 2.1. Okay, that means 2.1 we got, but here it is minus 34 written. Okay, so the answer will be what? Minus 2.1. Now minus 2.1 is lying between which one? It is lying between minus 3 and minus 2. So what we can write here, minus 3 and minus 2. Clear? Understanding or no? So minus 34 by 16 lies between minus 3 and minus 2. It is going this side towards the left hand side. Okay, not on the right hand side. 0, then minus 1. Now minus 1, how we will write? So suppose here if I put 0, then minus 1 I have to write here, you can see 16. So 16 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 coming, so here will be minus 1. Clear? Then again 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, so this will be minus 2. Clear? Then I have to do what? More I have to go. Understanding or no? If I rub this one, if I extend it, okay, so this one, again another one. Clear? And then it is telling what? 34, minus 34 by 16. So 34 you can see here 16, here 16 32, and then 33 34. So this point will come what? Minus 34 by 16. So it is lying between minus 2 and minus, it is lying between minus 2 and minus 3. Now question number 2D, minus 12 by 70. So what I will write? Minus 12 by 70 lies between which one? We will divide this one. So 12 and 70, if I divide, it will not go. So we will put a 0, then point, then 0 comes here. Now 71 are 70. Okay. So you can see here 0.1. Okay. And actually here minus sign is there. So this will be minus 0.1. So minus 0.1 will lie between where? Suppose here it is 0. Okay. So it will move, minus moves on the left hand side. So it will be moving on the left hand side. So now here you can see downside it is 70. So 70 boxes after that one. Okay. I don't have space to draw 70 boxes. Okay. So what I will do, just to show you, I will write here minus 1. Okay. So you can see here minus 0.1 will be somewhere here. Clear? So what I will write, it is lying between -1 and 0. And the diagram you can do it in your copy, okay, by turning your copy. If you have a big copy, then you can turn it, and with a big scale you can draw, okay, and 70 boxes. After that you write -1. Clear? Now question number 3. Find the absolute values, okay, of the following rational numbers. Okay, you have to find out the absolute value of this rational number, this rational number, this rational number. Okay, so 4 sums are there. Let us solve one by one. So answer, if I write this sum, already I have taught you in class 7 also, okay, in class 6 also, how to find out the absolute value. Even this sum is in class 8 also, and in the first part only I taught you about the absolute value. Okay, so the absolute value of 8 by 3 equal to, so absolute value I wrote in words, now equal to, I will put the symbol 8 by 3, and what it comes, it will come positive only, and this is the answer. Clear? Now for this one, second one, number B, the absolute value of -5 by 4 equal to, so you will put the absolute symbol -5 by 4 inside, but when it will come outside, I told you always positive comes, only the 5 by 4 will come, okay, the minus negative sign will not come, okay. Then the next one, okay, let me write answer. The absolute value of 3 by -5, okay, equal to, I will put the absolute symbol 3 by -5, and what will come, only 3 by 5, and this is the answer. Then number D, answer. So the absolute value of -6 by -7 equal to, you can put the absolute symbol -6 by -7. Clear? Now minus minus cancels, so what you get, 6 by 7 only, and it will come 6 by 7 only. Clear? So how to find out the absolute value? All the sums I have done, you have to practice again and again to become good. Okay, now we will move on to the next sum. Now question number 4, compare the following rational numbers. You have to compare, okay, that this one is bigger than this, or greater than this, or smaller than this, okay, or are they equal, okay. So how to do it? We will write answer. Now one way is to make the denominators same, okay, but we will do in another way. Clear? No, because here denominators are different, numerators are also different. So we will follow one easy way for comparing two rational numbers. For comparing two rational numbers, what are the numbers? 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. For comparing the two rational numbers 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, we can cross multiply the denominators. Already I have taught you how to do this one in the part 1, okay, as how we will write here 3 by 4 and here 5 by 6. Now see nicely students, so this into this denominator will multiply with this numerator. So how much we get? So we get 6 3s are 18, and this into this, what we get? 20. 4 into 5, 20. Okay. As 18 is smaller than 20, so the first one is what? 3 by 4 is smaller than 5 by 6, and this is the answer. Clear? The second one, okay, question number B, 4B, 3 by 5 and 1 by 6. So like that way, same way we will write for comparing two rational numbers, 3 by 5 and 1 by 6. We can cross multiply the denominators. So we will write 3 by 5, 1 by 6. So now what we will write? Multiply. So we get, what we get? 18, and then if you multiply and 5. Clear? As 18, now 18 is bigger than 5, greater than 5. So the first one is what? 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 6. This is the answer. Clear? Now students, if you like my channel, if you like this video, then please give a like, share it among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it motivates me to make more such new videos for you all. Okay, and don't forget to press the all notification bell, so that whenever I will upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Okay, so students, kindly share my videos with your friends also. Okay. Now question number C, minus 3 by 2 and minus 6 by 8. So we will write same way for comparing two rational numbers, minus 3 by 2 and minus 6 by 8. We can cross multiply the denominators. How? Now minus 3 by 2 and here minus 6 by 8. So what we get? We get, okay, this into this, so minus 24. Then this into this, what you get? And minus 12. As minus 24 is less than minus 12, so first one is what? Minus 3 by 2, okay, is less than minus 6 by 8, and this is the answer. Okay. Now question number 4D, 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. Same way we will solve for comparing two rational numbers, 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. We can cross multiply the denominator. So how we will cross multiply? 1 by 7 or 1 by 3. So this one you will cross multiply. So 3 we get 3, and this one what? 7. Clear? Now as 3 is less than 7, therefore 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 3. So I think you have understood these sums nicely. So practice these sums, okay, and in the next part 2 more sums are left. We will solve those 2 sums, okay, arranging in ascending and descending order. So thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling, keep practicing. Bye bye.